Hi guys, it's me again, your friend Bricks, at welcome back na naman dito sa ating channel. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating channel ay i-subscribe mo na yan at pakipindot na rin ng notification bell para lagi kang updated every time na may bago tayong uploads. So, well guys,
Ikaw na nanonood ngayon. Yes, ikaw. Isa ka ba sa mga aspiring YouTuber na gusto ring gumawa ng sariling YouTube channel pero wala pang YouTube account?
well, no worries guys, dahil in today's video is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng YouTube channel. So, napakadali lang gumawa ng YouTube channel. So, if you are interested guys, just keep on watching dahil magsisimula na tayo agad-agad pagkatapos lang nitong intro. So, first guys is pumunta tayo sa ating Gmail application. And then scroll lang natin and then click done. And then click natin tong add an email address. And then click natin tong Google. So, ayan, hintayin lang natin. And then, after that, guys, i-click natin tong create account. So, dito may choices tayo for myself or for my child. So, click natin tong for myself. So, dito, ilagay natin yung first and last name natin. And then click next. And then next naman is basic information about our birthday and gender. So okay, the month, day, and year. And then the gender. And then pagkatapos mong malagyan yan guys, is click natin tong next. So dito, nakalagay is choose your Gmail address. Pick a Gmail address or create your own. So para madali guys ay pipick na lang tayo ng Gmail address na nakalagay dito na provided na ni Google. And then pwede namang ikaw mismo yung gumawa ng iyong Gmail address. So it's up to you. So ako pipili na lang ako dito. So maybe itong pangalawa. And then click natin itong next ulit. So dito, create a strong password. So gagawa ka na ng strong password sa iyong Gmail account. And then after natin makapag-create ng password, is click naman natin tong next. And then pagkatapos guys, is click lang natin tong yes, I'm in. So dito, review your account info. So you can use this Gmail address to sign in later. So next. And then scroll lang natin. And then I agree. So ayan, hintayin lang natin getting account info. So ayun, and then click natin tong more and then accept. So that's it guys. So ngayon naman is pumunta naman tayo sa ating YouTube application. So click natin tong letter B. So yan guys, and then click natin tong your channel. So channel created. So that's it guys, ganun lang kasimple gumawa ng YouTube channel. So that's it guys, ganun lang kasimple gumawa ng YouTube account or YouTube channel. So, that's all lang for this video guys. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment at subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell button para lagi kang updated every time na may bago tayong uploads. So guys, see you in my next video and thank you for watching. Bye!